Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make autumn elf using Fimo polymer clay. So let's get started. First take the orange color and mold it into a shape similar to the cone. I took my needle tool and trimmed the bottom part of a cone to make a place for the face. Then I used my ball tool to smooth it over. You can make an oval shape and place it on the bottom part of a cone. At this point we made an elf's cap and a face as well. We are going to decorate the elf's cap with a leaf. Take the brown color, mold it into a leaf, and to make it more realistic, make indents on the top of the leaf. Next, I decided to make small dot-like indents around the elf's face to give the cap some texture. For the face, use a brown color to make the eyes and the mouth as well. To make the cheeks, I used 2 small balls of pink clay and secured them on. After finishing the elf's head, we are going to make its coat. Take the orange color and mold it into a shape similar to a small cone. At this point I attached the head with the coat and made small indents onto the coat surface to make it look like buttons. And then you can bake the finished figurine in your oven according to your package's instructions. After the baking, I added 3 layers of Fimo gloss varnish to make it super shiny and protected. This is how my finished autumn elf looks like. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crafty videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys!